Friday, March 22nd. And it is National Goof Off Day. What? I sat at my desk all day. I was entirely too productive. What was I thinking? Both Christy and I have been working today. We should have just been out here knitting and chatting. Or not. Anyway, we did get a lot accomplished, so that was good. All right, Chrissy's been busy hunting and pecking and looking for new stitch stoppers. So I need to show you what we have. Look at this adorable little fox. This is how they work. They have a hole in the bottom and they go on the end of your knitting needles to stop your stitches from flying off, right? So we have this little fox. They are 2 for $11.50 or 11. Two for something. I'll tell you in a minute.
You're right.
2 for $11. Then we have the horseshoe with the horse. That's for all of our riders and horse people here in Moore County. Then look at this little guy, the strawberry eating hedgehog. How cute is that? Same on both sides. Then we have a very giant bumblebee. That's in case you don't want to miss the ends of your needles because it's huge, but it's so good, cute. This is your friendly hanging around sloth. He's goofing off, right? That should have been the symbol for today, the sloth day, right? Then we have a kitty cat. Everybody loves a kitty cat. Little kitty cat. We have a cactus. I like that. That's very cute. I like the cactus. We have the sushi, if you're a sushi lover. And I've been known to do this and say this once in a while. So these are very appropriate, and I got a pair for myself. We have the F-bomb, right? Everybody needs a little F-bomb in their life. You don't have to say it. You can just hold it up. All right. I think that is all I have for tonight. Tomorrow is Saturday. It's going to be rainy, but we'll be here. Happy to show you around and sell you things and watch you knit in the afternoon. We have social knitting from 3 to 5. It'll be great. And I think that's all I have, unless all of you who got my email and you know that I am looking to sell Bella Filati, which is sort of sad, but it's time to move on for Holly Floyd. I would greatly appreciate it if you would search out there and tell your friends and family and find the perfect person to take over this little shop of wonderful things. That would be very nice. So anyway, just thought I'd throw that out there. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.